And there is no proven treatment or vaccine for Ebola, also no easy way to test for it. A laboratory in Colorado is in the process of changing all that. The lab in Broomfield developing, an Ebola test that would give results in minutes. And 7 News reporter Lindsay Watts live now. Lindsay, this is all about concerns that we could have an outbreak here.
Through an act of bioterrorism. Now, that potential threat is why the National Institutes of Health have given a lot of money to CorGenx's lab, nearly $3 million to develop a fast, easy test for Ebola. It comes down to a drop of blood on this strip. Inside the CorGenx lab, meticulous work to combat infectious diseases. But for a terrorist,
you don't have to have a sophisticated laboratory to develop these things.
It's a much easier task to spread them.
A lot of reports that say that the next attack on the United States won't be a nuclear attack, it won't be a plane going into a skyscraper. It was more of a chance it would be a biological agent.
Years before the deadliest Ebola outbreak in history, a test for the virus was under development here in Broomfield.
It's designed to be very similar to like a home pregnancy test.
CorGenx is basing the Ebola test on one it's already created for a similar disease, Lassa fever. It takes just a drop of blood
right there, yeah,
and a few minutes.
And the strip on the right is a positive control.
If 2 lines appear, you have the virus. The hope is the test will never be needed in the U.S.
We've never been attacked biologically in the United States, but it's definitely a concern.
There's no doubt, however, that Ebola will continue to be a killer in Africa.
These viruses are in the animal population.
And catching human infections early, the best way to save lives.
And it will come back. Maybe 1 year, maybe 3 years, maybe 10 years. We'll have the products there. We can test them. We can identify them. We can isolate them. We can treat them.
While CorGenx has been working on the Ebola test for years, funding ran out until the NIH grant came through just this summer. The lab says the earliest the test could be available is in 2016. Reporting live in Broomfield, Lindsay Watts, 7 News.